asteroid. We'll get around the asteroid.
No, it's too large. It keeps going around.
Quick, bring up the shields.
No, I accidentally took out the shield.
Oh no!
To put in this thing.
Oh no!
Make it better.
Fix it quick.
I can't. I left it in my car, but I already sent it.
Well, shoot the asteroid.
I can't.
Fire the torpedoes.
I can't. My poor torpedoes are all out. I only have one torpedo and it's.
Well, fire the last torpedo. Save us.
It's a little torpedo.
Save us.
No, it's big. The asteroid's big and my torpedo.
Save us.
And it slid on and it'll hit launch, boo.
Oh no. Throw the emergency switch.
Ding, 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 ding. Activate. Sausage. Hey, put sausage in it too.
And sausage?
It's sausage.
It's a sausage asteroid?
No, it's a saucer booster. It shoots
Sausages?
Yeah.
Maybe it's a vegetarian asteroid. Shoot it.
No, that's booster, so I can break in to that. And the electricity things. Oh no, it's not shooting. It's the asteroid's largening. Oh my god.
Save us.
Oh. I'm gonna pretend like. Okay, I'll use the meteor shower. I'll use this, my torpedo. My meatball shooter.
Meatball shields? That
No.
sounds good.
No, my meatball shield.
Okay.